Edika and so on near Fanasa, and no some matches at Telbono. So, it's a man city Bobokuno, Wamataso, Edika, our Telbonos, and watch Bobokua, Yafanasa, Rima, Jodoma, Atosumiano, and watch Bamuch and Ayasaita, Woman Atosumi and Liverpool Timono, Woko Ayashua for rankings anymore, Woman some Atosoma, Kumako and I, and Numaya AS Roma and Siano, and some Maya Paris Saint Germain, and watch Via Timono, and some Atoso, Obenya Dortmund, Womotos and Watch and Crow, and some Maya Chelsea, and Afedu, and some Maya Inter Milan, not as a rankings as I know, and some Maya Monochia, and Kobasa Juefa, and some other banning, way and some Maya first 10 hour Bravo Rum, and some Macro Free Lavenum, and some Macquasia, and I was Manchester United, and I feel Arsenal, and some Shem as our Barca Foro, and some Matos Dungache, Archers Arsenal, and some Maya Dunkra Archers Manu Foro, and some other 14 far, and Maya Kakafrio, and some Mata Abawabra Kashuefa, and some Monomo Rankers, and some young Ko Ayesabana Strasser, and a manager Fanasai, Vincent Company, and some started a coaching job, and now you're some manager. One the Bamuchina Juma and some Jamano, and Temeno Casana and Ora, Yafansa Company as starting Juma dear, and some our Sabana Strosa, na and Yaunsa Boys and Abba, one more free near Canasa holidays, Abba Omwa, one more assignment to Omunyamai, and Omoya available Adama Cocha, Yafansa Company, the Omunano, and some about running and now my main front to some coach, one of some other boys in Edin Como, now Jamesa Canin say, I you talk, I just a decay. Or reference a company and a boys, and some Nyan in an to say, what can't Brofocasa, on some Oko, a Yadia Sabia Bamunchina, woman of Profono, Yana, Omon Shadam Panas, Amo Pomukrum Casa, and on some Ayo Docino, na Adeba Konosokaya, and maybe a term, Yadabatu Casa, Tem and a Bamunchin Apple Coachino, what Kayamia Casa, Bamunchin Apple Manager, and Konkabasabia Chinchina, Chansawa, Wabaka Ebia German Casa, and Asabia Wabaka Casa. Because I will for the moment, so what to me cabra for crana, woman some other first answer, woman foods a brosso, I was a buying for it to me caste, woman net not white, nay, so we are coaching about out the perform crana, woman some Maria Jumano, and so Abamonti Nano Pame Casawa Prora, your first a company, and some starting a Jumataniano, report from Sankanas and Nisama, and also some Natika Archers and Koma, one of boys in Etianino, yes, I am Brofo and a coach, your first a company, and some Macan Nano, our brown something yet Emma yet for, and some our Jumarin Safi, Mammy found two one our Bobakua, your fans are non as I just Inter Milan, Macachos or coaching. Wabasai and NTA News, our Browia Interfana, our Sour Shadow Samo Manager, and I Simone Zagi, and so Baba Stantene Jumatiano, and some Mariama side and mom, Mammy Chiroi Mobili, Jamen can say Mobili, Abaco Turkey, Na Turkey Arches Mobili, and some Maconino, report to me, so Coco Sane, and some Mariama Beshiktas, our Turkey, Na Beshiktas, a contract to Ra, your father say Mobili, a Coco Sano, Metis Ayananum. El Quebes and a Jumu Kakra, and a chess and a jet and a touch it down, and some our chess attack you or Coco Drupa, or reference a mobile Abasane, and some Adiama Saida, your fans of a Shiktas Lemon, Wabasano contract until 2026. Not just say, I just one season, and a reference a mobile El Copo, and some Adama Beshiktas Lemon, one say option of another year. I just a Pagani Duno, and you 2027, and so I go now. I bet you 6 million euros. I know, and some amount to Ra. Your father said, Chua Immobile, and some I bet you Edia Gunabotomoa, and no update. I bet you I'm never to just say, yeah, was from Morata, and some Abakacha AC Milan Fossa, Wababam, and I say, Bia, Onyama, Onum some Morata, Jamen as a final yes, and no more Kaya, Medeba to Gasa Zlatan, Abramovich Munaba Casa, Joshua Zigzi, Onum I in the past, Omujana Manako. Na omo peni pa onfo no eno aya akwadane fa no some Morata na Jaminya no say yesem esimala ne peni fo no be say Morata say anen Obabo Ediama AC Milan. Now so Obabo Diama AC Milan dia. Woman say Achai Nyama from next week Monday and Kwasi Tuesday. So more train. I'm our bo a frainer and I Sunday and some area it is a Kobasebi Sunday no. Woman bo a frainer and some other man 24 euros Nivia and a Morata and Annie and Asabia. Said a city and Abama AC Milan Timino already to our prepare contract no and some other 200 Yamano. Woman 12 million euros and I release clause at Yama Atletico. Woman 12 million area. Boy, I'm signing contract no until 2028 or sign area. Metesa I have 5 million euros. I know and some I amount of Katana. You found some Morata and some Abaje Edia Kunibo Tomawa Bra. Bonosos and Abacao Shack. My manager found Antonio Conte. One and then Quadan Becatro Nano sir. Woman start to almost processing and some our Demaro no and some Aya Baby and Politimo. Woman some start to almost processing. No reference Antonio Conte. Ayo be a Dominion said Yabanino. I have 3-4-2-1. I just a 3-4-2-1. I know and a manager fans Antonio and some Adeya Juma Adama Saida. Your fans are no I just a Napoli Timino. Not just a Napoli for that so Juma Den. Now Mecatro and was say Paris Saint-Germain and some other casa almost 100. And I sample one of the best 200 El Kakofa. Ayo Kwaraskilia and a player. Your fans so Simon. I'm a Mecatro say woman and Jasia da Ampa Napoli Arichate. Essence about Crabwell. Ayo 130. Bakon some Ayo 150. And Tidiamen can say yes, many can say. Say Osimen, Ebeso stay, Obetum yesterday, and Osimen, and so Baso qua, one and so bet me out Conamum, Nipa manager and Tiasia Montono, a creature Quaraskilia, I know, and a German can say Napoli coach, your father so Conte and you ready say, one of some Nabelusis Acotano, and San Sanuma Obabenino, yes, say what Facta Cotano, and some woman about Brown Semo, yet Emma, yet for an anopay, and some our short so make us say, Mammy. To one so room and some Bobo fans Arsenal. One of them say Arsenal. One so could have fans Sambilo Konga. Mekaipa Arsenal for talk with them say. What Jim Fin our Premier League Gnimo at your boss of fine Cossy HSA. Well, you're Wayani at your Koreas here and none of Pamino Casa Bueno. After several drivers some few days ago, says Sambilo Konga, Ebetimiako, Ayobo Cavans Sevillano, report to me, Yanasa Bueno. Yes, some other so cockatoo on what touch it. Our Seville, just a honor. One of some Akotuno, what kind of medical, or we are, what sign a contract, and some other Sevilla. Now, Sambilo Kongati, 12 million euros. I know I have option to buy or declare loan, and some I just 1 year. Well, we are 1 season, we are contract. I was saying, and some I have 4 years. I don't know. I have 1+4. Now, 1+4 now just an option to buy, and so I have 12 million euros. No, German can say Arsenal. Woman, Daddy Asham said that to be Sakobasa, Sevilla, Airtown, Aquadawi. I'm a boy, no some aqua. Woman Arsenal, I have 25%, and I have onward transfer. Not just a future sale piano. Woman, some abaje, I have 25%, and I amount Abobo Crefans, and some I Arsenal, and some abaje. Now report coming on the same. Arsenal for no one say one to around Ramsdale now someone to around Ramsdale only can about to just one about demand I get 30 million pounds and sana one some goalkeeper at 30 million pounds I know I asking price and one goalkeeper your fans around Ramsdale Jaminian is amount for sure interest Arsenal so I ready say goalkeeper no one jana man akona German can say one says I want you ready so bet car men minimum woman you ready so goalkeeper no one woman on loan and I have 1 and I feel 2 and some and say asking price as I said I get 30 million pounds no woman to suna and to sochina and it's a what you say ya wo bana what be negotiate ebia price no and some ade akofo mo and ya say be ya dwuma ade ma team no I just Arsenal and some yam tentente me no kasai wo ram and some our Liverpool one former coach I am manager your fan say Jurgen Klopp Club. Owura fan say Jurgen Club ana Demian say watias here. Our Liverpool na odaso edin juma na chesa sudia na no adana so ewonia ye kan say Liverpool. Wo so foundation ni mo no Jameson kan say manager na tiasa so no ebe honorary ambassador atama Liverpool Foundation a chesa no juma di obedi here and some other club na fan say bia aye charity works and juma dia and some aka coach no ko na mo ye say manager no say ontimi njo mo our brama no kase no obakosom aye juma asnia ye fan say honorary aye ambassador and some aye team no a chesa no aye updater and some from so tebe our bra ho sam ni na no ye de ama ye te for enano pay and some our show no so na report from say kan say and some other say coach ye fan say ana slot onum so ra ye fan say ana slot ano and some starting the juma dey come yes and some aye day 4 and the day 5 adama side ye fan say Liverpool our axa na baby Liverpool ayo mo training no Jaminya no say coach no say oh yeah way oh my crowd when him say manager fan say Pep ejuma body ma Barca obi anim okọ bamunchin obi ahui na wabre ko ba say manager fan say Pep and some about Premier League ni mo ebe starting ejuma di as manager and some other Sky Blues and Man City no wabe create a rivalry between a Liverpool and some other Man City amen na say starting Premier League we be ask kwan be also say bi o ana City beje ebi so full say I was Liverpool team no woman some match and Sanyo man nyina no enom abasoko na ye be say coach no so peni ba wa ba yi anya bia wo beto so ana say bia wo de oba be do lemu because obi bai abeka say ERS eba ERS akonere ye ko wiase nyame nkonkomo pamono entu so de na otenden ana Liverpool manager ne say I am pa ERS awo hono sane man nyina na momo wotiri ye ba sanya rivalry ntino buy ade hia ne ye pa ne first game at nyame ya ma Premier League ne mo aye Liverpool womom ane Ipswich Town ana bebo wase hom ana ne focus ana fadia ye fa say attention and some our yentie coach ye fa say out na slot.
I think it was last time when I had the interviews with Liverpool. I'm lucky enough that I lived in an era where I could see the Barcelona team. It's one thing we have in common. But when he left, when Pep left over there came a new era, and that was the rivalry between Liverpool and City. So I've seen a lot of that rivalry and a lot of games of both teams. I'm looking forward to work here, but not specifically playing against Man City, because there are many nice teams we're going to face, starting with Ipswich, of course, which is at this moment the most important one.
Yes, not just the most important one, and so I'm Liverpool. And on my first match, I was at Barcelona, I was Liverpool team, no, one was an Ipswich and a bar. And on my same just a manager area to Janano Peno, yet didn't say in a debana Jamaican and say, and a better just a former player. Emma Manju, I found say Anthony Martial. Now, Anthony Martial, I have brand Tabia Bayano, no be himself, Moka, the next I just hear Honria, Nankano, I have Cadena in Papempo. We are some natures a Dutch someday. Will be him said ya general and some Nabasia Comano Casay, and better about 3 days ago, a bueno on Peso Beste, our Premier League in mo. Now, Jaminian Subway way when your offers our Premier League in mo, and your offers our outside Premier League. Nanka Anthony Mashabet to me yesterday. Yes, a bueno Gideon Bassans and Trofwa, woman, our chess and Shuke and an Anthony. Now, dear Abiatas will be at the Sabia Rashford, Abaya, Nance and Trophy managers a headline money at day. Now, Omakano, yes, on quiet be Omoka, no mom chess English in Ibako Kabidia, no more woman and some Nadia Gusun Tiacotano, yes, and influencing the decision. What are some numbers for free Premier League anymore and some Ako. Now, Matthias Elite, Ayobia Macacho say, I am Manju and a boy is over ball. Matthias Elite, the yes, so true buying and yes, supporters in be and some started a petition. Now, petition and say, and you can some motor Aquadawe Amaniko. As a company, I starting a Jumadi Adiama Bamuchindia. Woman to the Abasako Day, Ayobian Hobaban Faso Adiama Bavarian Stimino, and Tenu Council Mujana Amaniko. Now, also now report to me and say, and you promise over 68,000. Woman now Kaka say, Saint Momonton, delete Emma Bueno, and some Uncle Joshua 60. Mebakan and Rock Caname Cacho Sakotano, and some Abanya Clarence a fly, and some Manchester Enra. oba bedru ena aye Joshua Zigzi day achesenam aye boy ne dano jedi ka obakwa normal routine enom aye medical akwatano abakwa ne medical so we are wabatu aso na was sign contract no enso ama manjo report amenya no say na yese on manager ye fan Eric and Hack ebehia wom abedin come visa v eno aye one-on-one na chese face to face no boy no ane manager ne behia wom bedin come ansa na akwatano enso aye bibia also we na onumadia bamunchimfo ye bamunchimfo say wom de akwatano ama manjo 42.5 million euros mudi mfiem yensam ane betua na chese mutu twane kakra kana mom akobaso wochina bi wo muta sore na omote somoton Joshua Zigzi 1 Ghana wom 50 pesos wote somoton bone 20 million wom 10 million tinai wom the 50% no ensom aye salon clause anashem awo Joshua Zigzi edu no mu ene no that should be a Manchester beton bi ana bamunchimfo no ensom abajo mo 50% enom aye de ebana akoda no say yeso mo brand say ono number of papa Jason number 9 na chese Joshua Zigzi no me chese boy no up number 9 na she when number 9 our Manchester United won some adabaya juma eno aye kakra film aban wache mama mfanto no say Chelsea wo mo da some prepare training grounds juma enso maraska pomasa anu odin brutal na yeso mo so far wo mo impress mabeka jogo dalo anasempo we enso aye akodana ye fa no Malo Gusto mesra ayamalo gusto asem anambeka ye mabeka se tosin adara bioyo amunyina no nso ay impress wo msi so fa kwada ba ko a manager no attention awon so awobeso wo je no ho dwuma pa enso ayam Mikhailo Mudryk na manager no wagiri esa boy no talent nam abawi ewanimu diaka no se bia be fifi diaka no se abefefe eto omo asofo oyo mo ho dwuma pa no metisa akodan na ye fa no se Mikhailo Mudryk kaka sansa Premier League obaba America ewom unya pace ana sane ma no nyina no ehia panti na manager nam aso ayo boy no ho dwuma anom ayo update abana no pana mebeka cho so internally wo mo dun komo so munya kawru mitoma wo mo so apayese di ba ko a ebe die pass ababa so ejama Chelsea aya akodana ye fa no se mitoma esansa me kase no wo munya ready so mo ton sa akodano ensom ama Chelsea anom ayo update aba Barcelona ana ye kona bonsa de no aya ba ko pe nyina no ya akwadana ye fa no Nico Williams na no pay me ma update na latest wom ensom ane say yes beba for no onsa mabeka so omobuofu because omtiri e ba citizens and for ese report na ai boy no ba sabe return 1:1 akwadana beko ana akwadana be fa ha ana obesi ane sa woyo waya no nyina na yes e ha omo pa na omo de omo gitum omo ya concede sa akwadana okwan nie na mom omo so be kire ba for pa na de beba o aka say nyame ya doma efri ne a chese na ayon the 12 ekọ nyina no wotimi to na mum sa motena kwakwa an ane ye twen sika bi ane ye ntimi nya na bi abosumu ewu na ram the month of August 1 ayeda bobo kwefa no se bebao wo som abezumu training ayeda akwada no ebe return to training because owe euros na wo be ko holidays akwada no beba just August bosom e shasia etwo sem ultimatum wo mo de Barcelona ay August 1 1st August edra mo bia me fa phone mo bia faxe mo bia send email emre bawo sansa efri aye 31st July etwamu a 1st August eko wo mo bia ni community se waso awade a na ne performance ya wa to plenty ejane kwam bia so by first no awasam mutumi wi akodan ama akodan no ensom aba na metesa hanse flick a just wono aye coach ensom abo akodan sabi yeso wo bon ho dam na ono kwa na pushi sa akodan no mo fa ne mresanse adwuma na wo mo ye Emma Spain Lami Jama nifa Nico Williams benkum wo mo santia no ba ayeboboku a ye fa no Barcelona e wa bram no kase no wo mo hwanim se kwan bia so no so aye dula eno so mabetimi aye adwuma e wa bram no pen no ye de update ni nyina demo na maminko ayeboboku a ye fa no se Real Madrid Mbappe ban na enedie womo wese betwa Ronaldo krade on some mekana no pensa womo say omo no omo ngiska na mum se beye na won sa beka take it ano ana ya asem no enchebechiro mu ena no pe our tip up so say take it allocation our bro asom now enipa na nkoma request ay over 104,770 something you know will be up take it no mum make catch our say allocation say ana beko and then ay Friday and Friday oh ya member at the Real Madrid obenya take it nyame yadom ochenam ay Saturday and ay Madridista premium na chasoma omo diane Madridista premium no womo so mbabenya omo take it na nyame yadom Sunday mu amaka nyina no motu agum onya bia wanya bia obehwe bi ansom our online na jomo kan nyina no say omo aye Sunday womo so take it ano aye supporters ono a on come Madridista ayesa aye premium ho wono so a onye member na chese futu frafo no eno kwade men second sesia no say Omono, yesini babes over 60,000. Wamusum ana request is a Sunday. Wamusum take it into stadium there. Ababa nemum shara yeroli. Mama said ya diano and some nabesia kanano pay. Make a choice a Real Madrid. Wamuse the legends and eba. Me bosen Zidane. Eddie Echo and some ano pay. Zidane and Etiano and watch omwa. Wamabo Real Madrid chum. Omako aba. Aye legends in ano. Ebim ababa aye stadium nyamaya duma. And next week Tuesday report to me say Mbappe yes one can some aye take it to be a jaman kwadana woman on a foundation no one kwadana be so aba so mo ba entim omo nyina so abanya bi ahwe acha so mo asom anya take it at fia kwadana ye fa no say Mbappe asom ano kan yes said ya Madrid abo gamer woman aye omo set up no the same setup and on the day next week Tuesday and also abakoso Sharak Sama me send a video no one projecting no maybe say Madrid no almost say Mbappe one kasam ne mame ne papa ne nuanom abusuafo no ene ne management wom about pitch ne so media about pitch ne so about brasafo no nyina no enso abeba me monitor said ya de no enso abesiako na fa yenko aye stadium o ankasa said you besia hihye nkonya said you on mount stage about brawo kaya ekobese na otwemienu nie ye di kan won sam eba me catch us and light ebe ya djuma dan ban ye light bill mu betua bi papa ba and watching ohwemu a na chese wa bra mo mount stage amano nyina no yesem omu resi ade no enso ade akosro wa bra no nyina no aye said your boy ne die no enso abesiako na edu agwa Ronaldo adamfo wasem mo sesen mo na mo sori a mo se an se Barca be so mo counter ade na Real Madrid aya chinchina twa mo nkofa Nico Williams no wono waka aka ne pen say boy no wofo no so onko ba bia be ma ne ball apeja ene ye Barca na mo mamu nya mistake emfa akodawe en compare chase Mbappe da edu agwa se Mbappe mo ball no woni asase so bi o se na me bi atwam ne e kase Ronaldo ane Leo Messi mo ball no wo mo mani asase so ye ka bi a planet na wo mo Pluto ne Mars ne chase Venus mo no wo se Mbappe woni asase so ana de akodawe enso a compare no a wo tiri e ba sa akora no level enso down so na Dani Cavaya enso our Spain and was say omunyanfa Mbappe enka Real Madrid omo WhatsApp group no ho na omo say nipa no aye admin and my WhatsApp group aye Shando wonom enso aye adwuma Madrid ema bi atwam enti Shando and also no aye ade akoda na fa no say Mbappe na de Cavaya beka no nyina no sa wodi kan signal wey ade ma Mbappe say Real Madrid na wo ba no omo di kan peja ba ade kosoro woma dia poya Champions League makoma 15 unu wono kwado je enti no beso kan nyina no say Mbappe ba I was so yene no ansa no no anya ne position e wo team ne mo na mo so boy ne bedru a wo mo nyina abamana wuram kama won be jono fa so sense of brand integration I was say kwaye denti a all kasam I was say kwaye ne say was Mbappe to mika aye Spanish pa mo amadwe am say bia o aye French nkwana Mbappe eka no Mbappe eka French what to perform asaka Spanish enti abasade asere was a boy no was to me adapt our branch say one some etimi wuram our brand here kan say integration nyina no and some aba come our brand genatum na odiri pass enye easy emfama Mbappe no esase na no je La Liga o ma je Champions League abro ma di cap jam yo mama enom idea free na so ye enso de ba ho nsem nyina no ye de ema ye te for enano pay enso our show no so Olympic Games abaso mama aye nsuo na amba opening ceremony enso our so as of enwa na ye see police for omo some aba petrol once opening ceremony no aba koso nsuo iso ye fanom aye Riverside na Riverside I wanna just opening ceremony abaso way and some aye drill just a police for almost I used to boat and some abaye na drill no way and some aye crime faswa omo betimi abo nipa ho ban say bia dene etia e was say bia ye entempa rapid response and so and the senior money no and not just a police for ayo more house ye dem aye update no and ma ye tell for enam anopay and some our short so me say nyame anama Sunday Zero final baso na unim se take it no ebi ato amansa na omosa dia market so ton bi aye £1,000 our bra £1,000 awobenya ansa na watimi ato take it ni nyina no woni bia na chese born unya bi hwe esansa manfo ato take it ni ton our bra aye 19,898 Ghana that's 198 million and aye amount also utua and some ansa no nya take it ni bi and so ato and ya chasa de bo kra for our night market I don't know and have a black market de bo den and some agina aye £4,000 our bra and no some aye 795 million and can see cano and so when ya England and Spain wo born bi ahwe a chasa ni nyina no and some aye update aba ho sam no ya de ema ya te for anano pe onim sa na no ya Portugal ba euros na maka was a former coach ama Porto aye say your consay sao ne banom aye Francisco wo fi bench baba yi skills bi ni atia yes boy no Porto for train sam obi baba na boy no so ba so woko no mo sesesi aye kasai ne close aye 30 million euros mo train ama next week atwam na koduru Monday ni Tuesday ebe peja e dia call 45 million euros and between and a Friday ekwasi aye Saturday and a Sunday our some only bobo kwa fan support for no and some awie ansan mpo and your man some akwasere wo sesiko as the amount team archers and nyina aye update and also ba ho nsem no ye de am ye for yes abu ye mfanse na afi momonto aso
mate me da se pa ne sere we sidi rewra ne ade ha me there bibi aboko there
oh nyame adoma hwe ni experience
and Friday next year Friday
today is Friday yes thank you for the
work but other than one hije ne yesronko kra United team no mo birthday no
no personal bobo me kakra
oh okay
bobo me kakra nti na wo se me ba me ye nyoma 1-2 bi na me hye nyoma bi mu na se ja
okay
nyoma timi koyi
yeah
na bibia totodi na abu mami di kan birthday we
okay
na birthday ne di kan no Bernard Amwatin mi ankasa minua Bernard nyame nipa na me say ofifeba say nyadom no be kesi wonu so ti Bernard nyame inshallah na omawo enkwatenten na de odo nsabe so bia enye nshira Bernard na de tosu mienu mame we hye ade patrimu de so a happy birthday adepa nyame nshira na onye okese
na for you know
Shadrack ubetimi de adepa foni ato so am ya kampewa
but other enye we are enkwedi why receive no na am the obafia no ababe na fie why na anopa wo de me fine
anopa incommodity aye di near the transfer market
oh okay
na nyama bibre pepi fimu ba me say e wo si etimi de incommodity di kan hwe Nico Williams fancy be story about Nico Williams say ene baby a omugina no Barcelona for ayo madrin say de besi bia na e wo so mutimi fa brante ni free Atletico Bilbao na abu abrante no mo fa ni free Atletico Bilbao no enra the president no Bilbao ni be ka say the Spanish Federation has failed to protect Akodano.
Oh okay.
When it comes to questions among for Dodo na Ebusano. Barcelona has always had a strategy of getting to omo players or more pe omo di wuro omo trim. Ye hunu ko omo fa so nya Rafinha de ne be pie mu Barcelona. Ye hunu ko omo fa so ekofa Julius Koundé de ne be pie mu Barcelona. They have a strategy, and the strategy is to get into the head of the boy first. Then they push the boy to push the club. Then the club will push forward. Then not on my game. Now what team about see a kind of mom. Beba still insist, say, Omo project no more and yes, I could no muntimin pianical. The issue here is that Barcelona cannot even afford the exact salary. I could have any Nico Williams, Ejin Bilbao. Obano Krana. 5 years contract no more prepared the man no more expect said the first 2 years no obeji lower not 3 years na to aso no oma pijem e de meet the oji wo Bilbao no and omudi to me say the relationship between Abrante we and Pedri and Yamal no and omugina so a omudi make it akokose they say omna no be see akan fa mom.
Oh, okay.
But it's not as easy as Barcelona fans think and the board feels. And I don't know more yene ma Bilbao for no so buafu.
Abufu ben.
On say PSG ya Barcelona for dey be money anyo.
Yes.
The same thing about Safo no person mo ye no. Eti ade a wo feel so obi dey here wa anya de no.
Ozo enfanyo obi. Aroma sha say any boy no call for ben kasa we. Oh, okay. Ano mu piapia de no. Ana Bilbao for no so hu ni say no akoda we no say obo one more season kan ho a ana 2 a enya mu 60 ni mu 77 na mo kan akoda we betimi akoste be 100 ni 120. Yes.
Unkoda no unyo mo a Bilbao for na bufo no say unkoda na e team no unyo mo a now they akwesem say release clause 1 billion and 500 million euros.
Oh, release clause.
Oh, release clause.
Edu 60 million.
Edu 60.
60 pepe.
But active within a certain period.
Oh, okay.
It's no more fancy bear story so much to say after 31st. One went to me am forward biano. And one no. Barca wants to be fast, get money, trigger the release clause. No more for Abrante no. But as a stance, no Barca so soon to me go just 60 million cash. Because music assembly they will need to take time before. And sana nyoma betimi asisi and nyoma betimi ayede. Asisi.
But wajo pay the all canon. Now Bilbao for no ready so me negotiate.
That is it.
Just all kwa trigger with this.
Just all kwa trigger.
And almost all mun this call money. Just all the winning na call. Na release player.
Na release player no.
All La Liga.
All La Liga headquarters.
Oh, okay.
Say bia yiro so na bia obi akasa na obi antene ho ase na diska na koye den. Eno so na mun diska o mo de be sa de no.
I will options bebre ana.
Abu akoda wo kasa otra obenya options bebre.
O dey Chelsea money ade na be share.
Options bebre. Obetimi akwagosi akande amomo. But Bilbao for no are getting angry with what Barcelona is doing. And he's the main target of Barcelona and they will need to find a ways and means we obetimi de nyano. Dani Olmo release clause no. Ya twimu de 20th July. Now Dani Olmo release clause near 60 million euros from RB Leipzig. Now, what in the Casa Emo also so free Leipzig no call winning more titles because he believes he said, "Oh, Leipzig got no titles in the I say, we develop your stage be also not team consistently now or enjoy that particular title winning squads in Bino." Now, I know now, Bayern Munich, Manchester United, Motiteo. Now, I begin to ask myself a lot of questions when it comes to Dani Olmo. Dani Olmo favorite position here, then. Why men Dani Olmo first so bobo a man for do Dani because Oko RB Leipzig now. Omubo with the 4-2-2-2-2 formation. So the two players now my half wingers be as my attacking midfielders no. Xavi Simons and Dani Olmo. It's omo pretty more or less like wingers, but omunya wingers omo pretty with a lot of width. More or less no we attacking into no can right attacking midfielder or left attacking midfielder. Say omo attacking midfielders but omo pretty free to turn on a day. So they are more inverted most of the times. And Dani Olmo has proven to be that particular kind of player and also need be red team be a 4-2-3-1 I bet me use no in that particular role bet me say use no as a central attacking midfielder. Now what Bayern Munich I ask myself, you have Serge Gnabry, you have Leroy Sané, you have most of these players no. Dani Olmo ever be deputizing wine, Dani Olmo ba be boy tian wine or ba be start way. Then I ask myself again, Manchester United when you bring win I will go pay. Manchester United I already say call with another attack because Christian Eriksen that's so you still have Bruno Fernandes. And now what of us exceed number? Maybe chinem the entire me 2 years as exceed. Only your typical out and out no penalty box no man I strike out. who expect so many as a particular 20 goals in 25 goals in the different no there be this is a deal I believe say Bayern Munich and Manchester United titara ho dey but Abu Emsa Brantier the 20th day the other clubs that will come and trigger Barcelona ni je no ho ono so this all trigger Abu 60 do kwaro akotwa ni na Barcelona 120 million euros na so bet trigger we no asaso akwa trigger dey aka ho na on be kire ni ahwe Abu Saudi Arabia me say bibi ko so Al Ittihad na Al Ittihad enkomo na ekokoso no there was a meeting for the past 2 days Saudi sports ministry nim penifo na share din komo omo calculate the budget the omo de beba abontin the players they want to buy na eno no mudi nkomo ni wie no Al Ittihad Karim Benzema no won a list on no de aba
Benzema den a list aba
Benzema no won a list on no de aba
oh okay
Benzema ebu ofu Al Ittihad penifo itina the president no or resign here Benzema and a casa Pioli de ewo fem president na resign and komo na mudidi for Pioli no bunyai na Benzema initially wanted Christophe Galtier to come and Christophe Galtier no anye dey wamba it is a Laurent Blanc and never bishim Laurent Blanc so ni munua pa
yeah
na eno na Karim Benzema aka cho mo say Hosam awa na Bel Fake Casemiro onyamu mienu kro mo fo mo mra no mo sa fa Musa Diaby enka mo mra
uni akopre da Abraham ni kro akopre da Abraham ni kro
na ni abre and Al Ittihad for no ogide bi say last season as Benzema ye no ho no apra omo tutumi ese na Benzema pra bi anya den
eni no
and I was a dream maybe and to call Benzema wanted a 6 months loan.
Yes.
Europe. Just to come and sign a later on Wakoba. They believe he is the face of Al Ittihad team, no? It's also the Opebiano.
Omuyamano.
Na Musa Diabidiano akato ne bra. Na Brantier ne join Al Ittihad. Obeko Aston Villa just can go mbutum.
Na Diaby agomi ayen tentem no.
Omuria Hosama wa nanse anoko yeso ba meboa.
Yes.
Ono some personal terms he agreed. Akaso muni Roma ebewewi. No no so join it. Omo approach Manchester United for Casemiro. Man United you open to sell Casemiro. But Casemiro nie na adwin so be free Manchester United.
Oh okay.
He feels to say or 1 year or 2 years left to play at the top level. Now before Asana season the crebe beginning no. Only Eric Ten Hag koye meeting. Eka che Ten Hag say na Daroma onim say last season no one team meet the expectations and coach no what the man no. He's promising the coach said this season.
Obeye adwuma no
say do city pay.
Na who is ever far.
E di amano. Abu Casemiro ko Giscano na Manchester New York baby.
Sa. Okoro Giscano.
Manchester trouble baby job sika. And Karim Benzema ni abra because he feels Casemiro ni N'Golo Kante partnership no.
Be solid.
E betimi amomwatimi compete with Ana say.
Na e be chief Fabinho no.
Na say Fabinho asem no de. Emu ba be yedin.
Wow.
That is the dream midfielder Al Ittihad. Within the next few days, don't be surprised if they come knocking again. Ana say for no so hunu sa de no. Ana say for no are you ready to offer Bruno Fernandes not less than £2 million a week?
£2 million
a week.
Bruno
Fernandes. Almost in Manchester, am I ready to pay and bring Bruno Fernandes to Anna say? Budget no more approving no. By next week, every single club and their own will become clear with the exact figure. But in terms of personal movement, they've started agreeing personal terms with a key target. Scandi Biosu we are. You see a lot of movement of top players moving over there.
Wow.
Abu Kavaya asem na wakano me menene ya adwen.
Sese.
Kavaya say Osho Rodri bo na obo na. The bia okatre Rodri say Rodri in free Manchester City. No Real Madrid.
You won any adwen o den.
Abu and Toni Kroos. a free team nimko.
Yeah.
Real Madrid ebe here replacement. About your contract ka Manchester City subject to renewal and more than 2 years.
Yeah.
Atimase. If Madrid decides to go in for Rodri, they will pay huge. I don't know how they will go about it. But Real Madrid for Rodri the bar. Abu, the next 2 seasons in the castle will be a nyabo.
I mean, tell it.
Champions League will be a nyabo. The quality Rodri will bring to you is a combination of Toni Kroos and Tchouaméni all together.
Rodri.
Yes.
Meza.
Obe control it. Say the Toni Kroos control mo fe the controller no. As attacker defend so well, as sit in front of the defense so well. Then me say Barca for so tey you know. E bi modwa. Say the Barca for na tori bi so na menti o ma say. Because players in your players so mo na ko mo to kwade ma wo.
No mo ayi o call ball crimes obunya Nico Williams call over site or crada dada.
Nico Williams oba sa site o.
Mezi o mu benya. Na me wana Miki Chastela. Yeah, Chastela. Legend Chastela. But I don't send him a voice note. Ma who border Nico Williams say, but na me say another Barcelona la. I say, ya wie, na me say obi play about tournament olo ball o baba be Jaffa. Osima hu one Lami Yama ball no mo. Abi Lami Yama de minimizo mu play aba Nico Williams say nya say he abu pa. Ye na kasa ya wie na me say sese. Obi play house who player.
Yeah, to inside all a story we buy na me Barca Liberty office or OKT. And Rodri there. Or a Manchester City player. There be Man City player down in Real Madrid ni chaka. Ade.
It's all okay. Man City of Barcelona.
Na Man City of Barcelona na. Because say Barca for no teams yet 3. Also Barca next no. It's a Manchester City. Argentina. Inter Miami. I'm a Spain national team.
Okay, with
team no. Annex. It is a Barca anywhere no crowd. Season na e remu ne die. Hey. Argentina. Spain. Inter Miami. Manchester City.
Is that about Michael Bra? Number 21st can exhibit cap never Jose in Europe. Tono, dear Baba Ram, and yes, Siatica Europe tie deba, Baby Ram, di more manoni and pipi mo fre, Baby Ram Ghana didn't come on some toa sintination mon and Tiamobre, Niamancha and Kuyen Fama, Niji Semaba. Now we need fu nyanya, Bosome Bako, and I need dog the Ram of Belgium, Germany, Romania, and Afi Ili, from 21st July, Kokuram 21st August, Mepacho, Siatica treatment, no, Yedi Ram Europe, Patamana, Abuama Nema Kuye Peramania, Nonko, or how bia. Ya edunya wa manonia o de fanamba yi na tonkra na on the 21st July de kono doc be romo bibia no aba be boaso ano de ama 0244 915 116 0244 915 116 no abo na nema koye pa etimi ediama Institute of Expert Travel and Tour akonya ba ediama se ni work visa, business visa, study visa, permanent resident visa, and a business partnership visa, then visit visa. Oko bibiti say Canada, US, Australia, and Schengen states in Germany, France, Malta, Portugal, and New Zealand, and Serbia, UK. Akwenyaba etimi ediama say Institute of Expert Travel and Tour. Erobe kwa remnabwa manema kuye peritimi mana health workers no, business nurses no, midwives no, na pharmacists, lab technician. Ejuma ko bi so a farmer, teacher, banker, construction workers no, and afi no eba no labor on sense oni when afi security on sense oni wo ejuma na won sa no ejuma bia me patro ye beboa na yetimi ede wo na nema de din pa etimi ede ama so for line second gate or wani achimo soldiers no mo back so no obenyo mo ne aboa ma nema kwere ama mo WhatsApp number no obetimi afa na wa WhatsApp e mo na oni omo di nkomo bia na aboa na there so no aba metimi era mezan zo mbeba azi ejuma mo bono ano ede pa 0539 858766 0539 858766 and after 0504 694209 0504 694209 fe na any Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited na yamwa na mano nkomo niama enko ye pen from Ghana Gross si o maba etimi ediama jem mbabunu no se ne wanyemfie no edunum eduramu eduasanum 15 to 35 years yero akwa ramu na onso no yede wa fantitiye ma eye career opportunities ebeboa mane ma kuyere amanko be say media baby girls no ena ya me kama sem kezi zanze boys no omba wo brewa wi akakre bi ya na ha adwenbara o wonsa no dwuma ebeboa anti opportunities no agriculture agribusiness technical and of vocational skills eni omabomodi omane Mastercard Foundation and Spring Board Road Show Foundation na Limehouse na Kabuma ye boa mane ma de de amanti fanama no na Ghana Gross Olympic for no ending como 0308 255 775 0308 255 775 na nema ended the pen fama nipa de boson ban enye fefefe na nema de the fama Fibo Ventures yesi nebra at for Prince Eko Edman kwara me man ketwa no at for Princess Eko Edma and kwara maya ketwa na for the evidence and so Eko ndetimi Edman pin for executive and a friendly na galaxy ni na na brush said ya ba onye bi na yusu ebeboa manema koye pere ama no toothpaste no Alfred Fresh about toothpaste wanu mehwam ebema se na efita ebebo se no ban se achinam no abon ban udidi a what ne de ene no opeduro na ba kotu a 0535 452 263 0535 452 263 na omo etimi agaza migi akwa bana bibia so ye de
abunyame ado bibia kama
zem na so na ye
yeah nyame ado
na anobodi me fine
yes yeah we am share Africa now there's this development Rulani Mokoena I joined with that Athletic Club of Casablanca and first of all I think it's a great move by the mano. Great move, and then also great news for South African football. Meaning, so I monitor the trend now. The pace setter has been a Picho Mosemane. Mosemane could trust any the tour for what he did with Sundowns, and I announce it loudly to the people who follow football. Say, "Nyama pabisu ohet me fi South Africa deba." Then Alali had faith in him. Number 5 Mosemane Neko Alali. And truly, he delivered back-to-back Champions League titles, back-to-back Cup, Super Cup, or the Omo Ebo Modia Komonim, especially in the FIFA Club World Cup, Omukoko did third at a point in time. Until the Mosemani quiet to hono. So we are South Africa coach, now Obo Homodain, Kakre Bipe, already platform no honti. I say Yawa to see so. One channel tintine. So it is easy for the people outside to also have a look at you. So Pichomani has opened the way. What next? Now some African clubs are targeting South African coaches. Omaya Simba for coaching lineup for the next season.
Simba.
Yeah.
That's at Tanzania.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So Yanga G League no back to back. Yanga has taken over. So Simba wants to bring themselves back to the top. And one way to do that from the technical team, Omakofa Fadlu Davids, former coach of Marisbeck, or assistant coach formerly, Edema Roger Desa, Orlando Pirates. Now, Fadlu Davids, the head coach. O check it from assistant coach, Edikosi, the analyst, Omuyina South Africa for, including Wayne Sandilands, former South Africa goalkeeper, Onekwe, the goalkeeper's coach for Simba SC. Now, fast forward, where a team has share red to another team also share red, this time in Morocco. And that is Rulani Mokoena. Yeah. Signing a 3-year contract with WAC of Morocco, who are also looking at a renaissance, a rebirth, because Omelusu Omu supremacy the Moroccan terrain honum. What happened? 2 seasons in here, the Moroccan Botola Premier League has gone to AS FAR and then Raja Casablanca. These are their rivals. WAC Oko Morocco are the most successful club. 22 league titles. OBNGB Siomo. And if they go 2 seasons without a league win, it becomes an issue. And the issue, they see Rulani Mokoena, young guy, 37 years, as the solution. Baby Aokono, Ekuku Dambi is one Carlos Garrido Marco or 2 times Amfa. Yeah. Ono Okono, Ebefa, Anasa Emfa. Now I mentioned this as a giant leap for him. Dear Nema Rulani Mokoena, a free Sundowns Okoye. First point, there were issues with Flemingberg, sporting director of Sundowns, almost a transfer from Sensem. But when Sundowns brought a statement announcing the exit of Rulani Mokoena, the Omokaine say, he failed to meet certain objectives, which to them includes your domestic cup competitions. I went to me and Telcom 8, the more a year cup competitions. Nina went to me and GB, but he won the league and he won it very, very in a very easy way. Or simple cry. Then in the Champions League, he fell short again. Tomujidi say investment komu any the nan komu free coach no monsanka. But people also behind the scenes will tell you it goes beyond that. There were issues with me per se player way back. Club ne sporting director and say player way a obano omiti a vision no nti etone ba enye. So sa menteme ho ase ne ntokwan ketenkete e wo akire no, and they felt the need to mutually terminate omo contract agreement omo ne mekwe na wo. Or terminate abu enya 1 month kra and I walk WAC of Morocco. Now what will happen and how does he fit into the structure of WAC? WAC is so a process of transitioning. Omo former president, he has been jailed. You're jailing for doing drug trafficking, money laundering, and likely say the air he will never return. So a new president has come on board. Now the new president now Abano is a politician. Now we know how politicians do their stuff. Omo go big. So or invest more, omo be invest hugely. When is it called man a month? Approximately a cost $90,000 US. Sikano in dirhams, Morocco Sikano, 330,000. He requested for 400,000. No more negotiate about 330,000, which is approximately $90,000 US a month.
Wow.
Or we need league match BR or benya $2,700 per win.
Per win.
Yeah. Inti say or we need league matches month no we need bear 5 or be multiply $2,700 times 5 and the winning bonus in Kwana.
Me give me bow. Rolani Mokuino is that big. You ask it to say now Kansana or that big.
He comes from a footballing family.
Oh, okay.
When South Africa won the 1996 African Cup of Nations, ne papa Ninia Jomo Sono was a technical director for the South African football team. Jomo Sono once again brought South Africa to 1998. AFCON now Mobedi second to Egypt.
Oh, okay.
Good. Jomo Sono is a South African football icon. He was one of the few South African players or more black or mutumi breaking the barrier into a ball South Africa ho no nya kunya no so ko ball wa brochire. Newofa played with Pele in the New York Cosmos team.
Wow.
So offering football royalty mo. So Jomo Sono ni so ye Julius Sono ne banie. Julius Sono so bomb Orlando Pirates. When Jomo Sono had finished his career, no better Jomo
Cosmos. Oh, okay.
And this Jomo Cosmos. So when he free a typical football background, and he belongs to the football royalty in South Africa, no of another McFish by, but for no of an who McFish.
Wow.
Yeah. Not South Africa for a player, be no more friend South Africa Mkalele. No of another by.
Oh, okay.
So he has been famous for unearthing unknown talent. Enti ebusuya o free mu no enya de ye ebusuya ye sebe ebusuya bi asa
papa shape ebusuya mu edu.
And we're saying he's not really had enough experience in terms of coaching. Picho started coaching Sundowns from 2012 and so obeko Alali, so he spent like 6-7 years where basically you're the first team nation in so be head coach onya 3 years gra
and level no
exactly level but ye piano de akọ because we bang and ebusuano so pushy into amani mu aye do
is Africa Pep Guardiola no.
Exactly the point. 37 years young brilliant young coach into all try so baby but at work these are the issues. Work near club ayana the consistency and stability no enye guaranteed. They move with the flow because a big club no so who say bibi nya on nyon tnaze you know why a 3-year contract into ye mo abotre na why ye adwuma ni debi. They are trigger happy, and that is why I fear say maybe adwuma we na but too early for Ulani Mokoena. Picho had experience at Picho one. He had coached in Europe before and Obefa Sundowns. But even with that, he had issues at Alali, although he won.
Yeah.
Or we are on once or terminating a contract in Emano. Coaching in North Africa, Abu Eden. because they are very demanding, especially if club near club kesia.
Yeah.
They demand results. Now wako new club now wako na a club will reach history with a loud fan base. Club no, they are not in the best of moments because last season league omo the fifth. Omo trailing a year the winner Raja by almost 30 points. Omo jai players we break Yaya Jabran omo captain no, he's like the Rodri for them or free or so a transitioning into CCA now. How are you able to convince the faithfuls and they say me babe winnie but team because they will even play the Champions League or more Confederation Cup. They are not in Africa. Until more target better the league.
Yeah.
Now you are not strong enough. I think I'll build the team. Raja was raw, AS4 was raw. How do you cope? And the issue no. And away a new president or a politician, definitely he will also want to win to help him build his constituency. Maybe far work and more head they work aye. And to also be demanding instant results from you. A man is idea now there. And Mokwena knew beer. What guarantee say even with pressure he will guarantee you top trophies. Yeah. And I'm sure Orlando Pirates bonus in the cup, then in the Champions League. Always more bobo on the pan, but the board does not yield the almost share.
The work for you crowd
exactly. Last 2 seasons and last season, yeah. So it was last season was so he's not really had it smooth in Africa. How do you propel a sleeping giant to the top? So to me, this will be his toughest test yet. See a Begina to say Africa or a Pep Guardiola Lampa, work a Jumano or Kakoyeno, and then a better maybe a Sundowns, near familiar terrain, the environment was conducive. But here, there is a very demanding environment. You bet charge it. You better share your market, see the free ho. How will you cope? And how do you go about your stuff? And especially a club of me trigger up on my work or coaches. John Toshak. John Toshak is a Welsh coach. Ni free moi. Check it. Toshak served work from June 2014 and it was in September 2016. On open to me try 2 years and more. Omo ma bani na. A big cry 2 months, a be a 3 months, a be a 1 year. So work any patience for building. They have the knack for winning. Omo winia mako omo. Win. Into Obana winni biwa. You become their enemy.
The last team you omo free Esperance.
Esperance final. Check it. Sebastian Desab on the coach, DR Congo coach, ACC or a top coach. On the September 2016, January 2017 local Hussein Namuta. 2017 in January 2018 local Fauzi Benzati, Zoran Manojovic, then Sebastian Desab Nibio, January 2020 Dubai, or February 2020 Juan Carlos Garrido, 2020 in February, or 2020 in September, Miguel Angel Gamondi from Argentina, or Fauzi Benzati. The only coach or man Sakeno here was Walid Wegragui. Yes. Champions League Morocco national team. Ne fan obi a wa ha bia no. Omo to ase akonya.
And almost pay coach Jala Kwaya e kwale asa akofara ba.
Yeah.
Omo pesa de no pa.
Patupa. So how will he cope? Crucial. Abu in tennis. Wimbledon Mbano CCA who the finalist and we'll get Barbora Krejcikova and Jasmine Paolini. Of course, Ghana continues to win. Nameka Ghana winning amount for here. Euro 2024 no. We will get a Ghanaian player and a player of Ghanaian descent or Euro 2024.
Yeah.
We are likely to get for the very first time the women's Wimbledon singles final. No. We are likely to get a player of Ghanaian descent winning the Venus dishwasher weight trophy no. Obeje Edison in Naso. Why am I saying this? Jasmine Paolini, Italian.
Oh, okay.
Ne papa ye Italian. Ne mame ye Polish, but she's Polish Ghanaian. Ne mame ye friend Jacqueline Gardner.
Oh, okay.
Ne papa no. Ne mame ne papa, which is winning in an abema no. Or ye Ghana ni. Anoko who pull a nia, ches on ne shishe wa. Then they give birth to Wayne mame. And to mame of Polish and Ghanaian background. Ano dia wone bano. So we Ghana moja efranimu. Good. Now, for tennis players, I have mostly height crucial. When any height or kakra, and she's found a way to compensate for the lack of height by improving on certain skill sets a man economy. Enra, the game of against Donna Vekic. This is what happened. They played for 2 hours and 54 minutes, and it's the longest ever. Mbano Wimbledon's a year semi-finals, the longest ever bought for that duration. And why? Because Weno lost the first set so easily. Then she bounced back and she used her skill set effectively. One, or an amazing God speed, and that's a foot speed. You can't foot speed that. There's a tennis, you need to be mobile, move around. Especially when you have a height and a reach disadvantage. Your legs should be able to carry you to that level and then be able to play into ways I want a bar or endurance or speed on brentem into ultimate to. The only advantage woman a powerful first serve. Nessa or best serve ball na or bar power nim a genim into and how be brisa. Basana only no. So also small ball in the court direction she will be able to travel with her leg speed and get to that.
Oh, okay.
Now what's her skill set, you also need to have a sharp mind because you anticipate. Many abu bebo ball need their correct and I need a minion in term na men correct sa oba na metimia returning. And this is how she used the skill set, and then the height disadvantage, to get the advantage over Vekic, our qualified to the final. Can she win it? I think it will be very difficult because Barbora Krejcikova no so bano. She has the height, but our way skill set need be pepe. Krejcikova is Czechia. Now Ofri Czechia, and she had this issue with transitioning from amateur to professional. Now Oba be a professional, it was through the help of Jana Novotná. Unfortunately, Novotná, when Rowini, she paid tribute to Novotná. Novotná is also Czechia. And she won the Wimbledon in 1998. This is Novotná, and the Duchess of Duke. The Duchess of Kent. In 1993, Novotná lost the Wimbledon final to Steffi Graf. Then the Duchess of Kent, Echo Consolin into Sukra to Neiso. Then she came back in 98 to win. And the win, the same person who on one the boy no so or the celebrity. Wow. Now this period from 93 and 98 instances, it changed Novotná. She became more Ubaina. She warms herself to you, or comfortable, or show cry. And Novotná way and the boy mentor Krejcikova. Emma need to be transition successfully from an amateur player to a professional tennis player. And even when Krejcikova beat the French Open in 2021, Krejcikova paid tribute to Novotná. Say, Krejcikova feels that the element on the year was to win the Wimbledon and attain worldwide acclaim in 1998. No so any so say ono ne mentor no joye no so ye by winning the Wimbledon. The scene so no the same as Paolini there, becoming Paolini Gia obey the first Italian woman to win the women's Wimbledon single. But where so Gia obey the first Czechia, but she will emulate a mentor. Nipo tete me boa me mami to me do baby a medro no the ono ye no enwe bia na mesuma ba me ma ba be ye. And this will have to do with your baby stories in frame. Ni share the skill set, and in the skill set, where were the height advantage? Krejcikova was height advantage over Paolini, but almost skill sets near pa. Krejcikova Krano were more experienced in terms of speed, aggression, and anticipation. And I think that say your ball China final new year, and Yamewawa say Barbora Krejcikova will become the 2024 Wimbledon women's singles champion.
Mate, merase fantastic Michael Azaribodu. Yababa na yaba be din komo ofie but mamenko na me ne opin kese ba ku nin komo. Sere onim no. Ne ntutua na dada na kwama network ba ku yisu Ghana ha. Omo hihye ne omo diguna kwama edepa. Telisa Ghana. Na ne omo di dwumadi bia ba dini Telisa more money promotion. Na hon komo ne yeba ba be di. Ni na zo wa kwanya so binyi sika bebri na pin perfect kweku asiedu ewo fidema mene no nin komo akrana ono ankasa nchichi ni ade oben yakwa ba na bibia aboko de
nyankopon adom menua
so ye ho den pa ya so ye ho dem yiri so office so niam e ko kama pa na ben wan kasa wa ibu amekakra ya te niam bibri fa telisa more money promo juma di na nkasa ye den na se ne sitie se ne si eye juma
yo medase me chiao etiefo so ene wa hwefo telesa promo more money promo na ye de aba no enye bibia na mom akwanya kese a telesa as a company ye pese ye faso na ye did da ye customers ase so okaya afimu na ye Vodafone na ye movie called telesa and throughout the change process no your customers ni bebre adiachi as stay by us and you feel say it's about time yetimi edawo mase and ye the promo we aba ebemu me win cash prizes every day weekly and overall 1 million Ghana cedis at the end of the promo and sa promo we there obi be say sedan kwa and ye dey my customers and until na dey buy.
All right, now o kan we no was even is banis kasema me ametia me here skapa me pese me bana me babi sikani kese de o tie me no so saa ne ade a na boa me kakra o cash prizes na ewuramu etimiada ma yen customers no ene sere ne me sitie no nipa no dodo sen ne betimi a benefit from no na mun komo na nkasa cash prize no sen ne sitie
okay ne tie nie so we a telesol customer the here ne say Uber dial star 500 hash.
Oh, okay.
Unya dial star 500 hash. Automatically no. Now what started partake in the promo. And now say Uber test the word win to 500. WIN to 500. Now the air can say every day so recharge it either through your telesol cash. And now say EVD and now call retailer holder wire credit transfer amount. And I say what short could be no me at all your airtime. You say you know from 5 CDs and above. Or your 5 CDs and above or qualify say obey part of this promo now running no. Now the woman every day bia no you only pay 150 winning 100 Ghana cedis
every day. Wow.
Lucky winners 150 Ghana cedis. Now what you be so no you only pay 4 winning 30 Ghana cedis. Sorry, 30,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Every week be 30,000 Ghana cedis. Now the grand prize 1 million Ghana cedis at the end of the promo.
Wow. The way no to say the all can say in a recharge and also 5 Ghana cedis.
5 Ghana cedis and above.
And the no do sana skadu do sana me de be room e be qualify me so.
Oh, and sikane de ye ntwabo.
Oh, okay.
Ye ntwabo the important ne say the more o try no the more your chances. And mechanism to say ya mama avenues no a obetimi atopi up no but the beboa kese pa ne say we use your telesel cash no nowadays a top time now the chances of winning no and no ye higher. Inti me encourage say subscribers no more money telesel cash no more my yen and set them up na mo use sa channel no enfanto 5 CDs and above no you have a chance of winning the 1 million.
Nkomo ya udie me de pa na te say na make sika semson nkomo de enyina pesi TV omo mo fi omo hwe ni ade na more money promo na aba be boaz no made anase ebe wo ho ache say ni city no nso echi no hwan ne qualify say omo de omo ho be shame.
Okay your promo no you starting on July na nyame aduma e be wie no September until July, August, September, 3 months. To say no, omo qualify no, we say your prepaid customers.
Oh, okay.
Omo san qualify BM no, omo use your fixed broadband. Your postpaid customers. Until every customer bia we should tell us whether prepaid or postpaid no, or qualify. So be to me. About kind home. What we need tell us also no. Where opportunity can see pa as I say we now telesell sim. Now what me I enjoy. Unim ebia 1 million no wona da ho twen.
Wow. Yes. Na abani say ni za agronomu ye dise ya na ekwen mu adodo na de omo hu ram. Na de ba ko a Ghana ne abibirima na ɛyɛ nkɔfo tinimu kɛsemene kakra yɛ akwa ɛbɛfa so ɛdi nukredi ɛne ze bia we ɔsɛfata so no na wɔsa ade ne kɔma no no aboɛ kakra ne yɛhu hyehyɛ ɛbɛ na telisafo ayɛ a ɛbɛboa me ahu ze dwumadi na yɛdi no nukredi ɛyɛ dwuma wɔ
mu. Good question, because sometimes the NMC Chrome ha promo bi ba say yewo nkofo bi wo ha nso de omhu gym no more dada nkofo. The good thing is promo ya running is in conjunction with the National Lottery Authority on the Caritas platform. In terms of fairness there, you are guaranteed. Tell us our info say for pin my where we need into betweska see and sunny I say there be say we are rightful winner ubenya call every telecell number 020 3000004 0 near 5.
Oh, okay.
And your special number, yeah, the bema. Now, dear Bakusu woman say, Nipa will be winning, no, over 7 days, say, we'll try and reach out to you. Until after 7 days, when we need ya, then we'll look at the next person or you're in line. But in terms of fairness, there, because we are doing it in conjunction with the Ghana National Lottery Authority, no, fairness is guaranteed. We'll make sure, say, whoever or you're the rightful winner no Ninsaka. Also, you're putting measures in place so that people will not game the system. Sebi, innocent people are more no nkofo NCC.
Nimza wache kwanya se ni owini ebefa so contact one kwanya abefa so ani niam abeku yidi ama oni we ababo amekakra sika no wanwe ne kwanya abefa so abeyi. Okay. Apart from no nso no ebia me marine ba mo contact me a munyame eno nso no sen na ho hyehye ne besi akọ.
Winners ni nyina no ye betua mo ka via mo telecell cash account. Entina make it very important say obeye bibia through the telecell cash no. Number 2 send MD kan kai no your time ye de betwen kopem si ye benya the real winner. We'll give ourselves 7 days. Until within that 7 days, we'll make sure no pay we anywhere. All the avenues are you bet me try reach out to you, no. You better try name seeing ya dear a honor, you better the next person in line. Wow, I consider no. Wow. I'm just hoping sir whoever wins will be the person because say open 1 million now. Ebia debia or to 5 cities or to 10 cities or to nebia well spending about 200 Ghana cedis or 100 Ghana cedis. I don't think say ube or line ube because 1 million there abu
what do best souvenir ma bibre now but is that meaning that Ghana the oba tell his customers in the door Sompa the any DNT and a who be here as a new year tell his customer obeba na any more money promo no also do who ababi shimbi
send MD kan kai no your customers intina ye afimo omni adini ye movie from Vodafone to Telecell. They've been with us all through this while. And I see him say and sebe we are see den sika ho den economy no mo den kakra enti yeso ya de kakra ye beye yeso de ebeda your customers na say oh you've been with us all this while and you know every day be a chiska every week be a chiska at the end of the promo so ye chiska kese enti we akwenya ye dey batch say mo money ye wo ho no mamon ko bia you should continue to stick with us nemum mo you are not yet part of the Telecell family no this is an opportune time for you to join us.
Wow.
At the power
Mate. All them no kasa sisi me message na ba ne ade a so them so me wo Telecell busia ko ni ti yem fa code ni we na minja akwan na akone me na so ti fa code ne sa ma me biem
me pacho star 500 hash and also be send ni win to 500.
Oh, okay.
Star okay. 500 hash.
Now, say from 5 CD could be on Wakwanya say, Obaba Modena, the
yeah, man, encouraging say, auto back and relax it. Okay. Use the Telecell cash platform, and that will give you more better opportunity or chances of winning.
I guess you made us.
Miss Medas,
the more your paper friend, quick, see you, or one Chema Shanty region, Ebony Telis up, and you back what. oda no obo adwuma no no ne no kokodi nkomo ntime ba jo tell us more money promo no ababa star 500 hash na wada no abomodin 5 Ghana cedi de ko betimi de ahase na wo de rewura ma na recharge na ko anim na eboa manema ko yede ma na betimi send a win to 500 and now visit the Telecel Play app now on so the room na boa manema ko yede ma enkomo pa yezo bo modern na need the grand prize no se ro chichi mu no ye ode de bia betimi enya na otwe bia be kodi ama na prize na nkasa 1 million Ghana cedis that's ka we do nya emu de pa Telecel connecting energies and now ye ba pena fi de akibia e de ato aso fi amamo
Wana metesa wo ba no se wo Canada.
Oh, woko suku.
Na yesi ejape aba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say, amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kosa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa kwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Next year visit and now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa what they obeko. Say ya juma so what they obeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. As for labor, runabout wa and crying. Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe dwaso wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. Edia bedwaso akra wanyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wopemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. Who benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford dear na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena de ya moku hu Ashford Princess and obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy wo de na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
that Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, near Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. It's to phone for 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so winning.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll buy it.
Bra, and not so good.
Not tell me about Michelle, see about Queen Wayne say.
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy me fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Maybe I know this offending now.
Bra, some make us me the time about Mr. Huadancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mr.
I never go, dear, no matter what to me any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your ma or bar waffle through.
je wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni mfie dumienu ansa na obeto town herbal mixture aduro yi bi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidi malaria yi bi ansa
ayo se time ni TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no ebetua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hienye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwenunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na ba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba akon freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba akon woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
Efiewura nom mo fa maso mfa mekakra na enje sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo ensuoso no nom fam no ama ho nyina frofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na babwa medan na papai no any ensu a eno nom dan ho ama ho nyina frofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say so what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar ye dey fa dan ho nyina enhia so be to cement on twa bia na wonhia painting so esanse iPon2 contractors at the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wia ebe te se ya painting dan na wiempo enti dan ho be ya so na ha fefefe iPon2 contractors ama se de nema yefo e de ama fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so eche mfie pi na emfa ehyew bia so e maw dem iPon2 contractors are expert in construction interior and exterior decorations e wo fie ahodo nyinem de hia ni so be from 0555 118684 hwehwe yen
ewo Abrepo Junction ship mu a eben JP filling station
iPon2 contractors wo we die enso bia nonom ye dan bie dedan ni nyina so be ye fafibo So wallpapers papa OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yaman wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Eban bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mar shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Ubenya biato ewa na so ye ho. Say OP LED backlight e de above flash screen e chia. And so OP ebe so selfie ring lights out of phone bishim a OP wallpapers and a bema selfie ring lights OP ewo Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Agyeman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor and a chronom or barrier on the market in edian mhwe so open wholesale and answer retail any OP any nsawo free OP our 0540 353750
the mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yedumadi ayedi say ye besiesi wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi wo fixed one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susum yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene efe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye finish scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi okasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebamu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkran so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down domekwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ye ne OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na yabron san na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joada kopem
eda memeda with me afre ya homa no e was 055 913 9582.
You listening to me on the radio. I know exactly what you need, and I go sort you out. But first, a quick introduction. Maybe the connection man. I'll make things happen. Whether it be business, fashion, or the latest trend in town, I go connect you. I know when people connect, big things they happen. I am the plug to your plug. Anything you want, that's sort. I go show you where options they line them up for you. You want download or you want stream? Link up. I got you. I conquer everywhere. From circle to Kikitia. If you come to Navrom, you also to Kita. Techima to Kumbungu. I'll be the link between you and the next big opportunity. It be me where I go connect you, make it happen. Oh, you want to know my name? I am Telecel.
Switch to Telecel for the best value voice and data services and connect to the things that matter. Connecting dreams, connecting goals, connecting passions.
Telecel. Connecting energies.
The Parliament of Ghana presents the Maiden Democracy Cup match between Accra Hearts of Oak and Asante Kotoko. Also featuring Parliament 11 and ex-Black Stars players led by Stephen Appiah. Date July 17, 2024 at 3 p.m. at the Accra Sports Stadium. Rate Popular Stand 20 cedis, Upper and Lower VIP 50 cedis, VVIP 100 cedis. Partners Ministry of Youth and Sports, France Embassy in Ghana, GFA, Beyond the Return, Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Sponsors GCB Bank, Bethel Logistics, Ghana Gas, GNPC, ADB Bank, BCM Ghana, Stellan Automotive, Goyle, NPA, Zoom Lion, Interplus, Anglo Gold Ashanti, KGL, NLA, Wembley, Shippers Authority, NHIS, Petrosol, World Vision, Azar.
Mobomode etimi edemona du princess and afi dashes dodona and aberum na fi ode ko edeman kwada no mu yusu ebo ebo mo se no ban a onyi no na chesa tina num bibia ne me koyi kama pre etimi ede ema no nye no nko ere okọ mu toothpaste awdo na ede aba yo ya total care ya seba ya whitening ebo etimi atu no ama onu ma ehwam no na ema osena efita o se echinam no ama na nya ahoden sonko na osene so ama na ahoden a obetimi abo modern dia bon kase mu adidi a afili ama na ma dadi impediment nei open toothbrushes awdo na and a toothpaste awdo na quality ones no Elastic Ghana Limited mo na dia baba ya toothpaste and a toothbrushes no obetimi abo modern romo edum PZ kit around about is as ne oton niam na anton no bia wa kichi kakra number no 0501 390 337 0501 390 337 0501 390 338 0501 390 338 niambwa na ne mandela di printimi enfama bafo polo zemen ken franchise ni wabwa etimi de an African print no aye designs out on no edempa your polo shirt round neck shirt any golf shirt any v-neck already a shemia otumu se bom ye papa na de sha komiano so no enya de ketwa du pedudo na kwa kutu ana ba na apa odi anu so bobo modern wato mo nkra ezaze no mo ye boutique na gia omo so ton ebo ma ne makoye pede mo companies awdo na ebiti ze no banks mo betim de mo Friday wear teachers association so and afi bi zu de school for no sorry no any fan clubs awdo na mutime ba na maba beto no dudu ma obetete so kama pede ama ankona so te se no so no yetimi gibi anazo no kiski mo ko program ya na ma gibi di echemu obetim de akwa sorry obetim de akwa school betim de akwa party offices awdo na betim de raw wedding bi ni yeye anampo anije da bia utimi hwe ba fonta de na hyehyɛ awa ni yeze ne no bafo abomode a your platinum package ni 20 shirt a wo box mu diamond package no 15 shirt wo box mu good package ni 10 a odi asho box mu na silver package no 5 shirt wo box mu na bronze no enso ye ba kodura mu 9 o deliver de ama Ghana bibi obia no untwe ska na bafo classics ano edempa o de lapel tops and trousers awdo na shorts no ababi rama kaftan no ope de wa bomode designer ano edin ye papa ni na abafo de aba ababi rama eboama ne ma dadi so no etimi ramanti Ghana bibia o wakonya so befre o fre na so to bi deliver de ama untwe akapre 0249 600789 0249 600789 0599 899 0599 899 me pacho osi akonya aba netimi edi ama mo amoye professional tailors no so no obabo modern wa bana ne na ba bi di jumanti na mara me di tu dwa no ofo obeji pini na wasum na waboa ama ne ma kwere ama hene ma kokko bi do ani achi mon santasi oboa se kwan no so no obenya ba fo no waboa ama ne ma kwere ama Kunlun Ghana Limited Zinebra na open quality Chinese service o mo na di aba bi ramndo no ba kwe hunchun capsules ye mema na ye prostate no adwuma o ye be ma odwunso ntentam odwunso mu apae wadwunso awie no na esanso so wechi o wa ate se wa ya se yo ya won so prostate no aka o ye be ma na begina na so na sa ha na fiwa me pa twen hunchun capsules no o de Mr. Kyun so aba na timi da maye wa ye mre wo mpam eno ko ba ku mienu na oda ya avezu kra no wa wakono na bafoma me pa twa unya Mr. Kyun na hwe na abo ama no so no monje araba bazin tablet bibi be chiche ebe da ya akono na pampan bia no eye de fi obosume so bunsa na eka odwe obi wa ne de no enhyere mba ye bi so eba ye kra na ya na how bibrin so we cheme pa twa unya araba bazin tablet na ebe san abo amamo a monzo no ye de pema ya monte de no de ne timi abapa oru ani chemo Colinac Danieba Mistieba Brother Required Heba Panacea Pharmacy NNA Pharmacy for the men's and afis no pharmacy ni chemical shop bia no obomodin wanya ndupa ni 0244 275-429 0244-275-429 0206-271-016 0206-271-016 ni aboa ama ne ma koye kama pa so no etimi edi ama na ntoto ye no so no etimi adadi okrache trends me pajo zen ne yem pam kaftan pa emfa emma na afidi de vest egusu ne okrache trends ni juma no obo no ya de ano eden political suit no me pajo no so obeboa no etimi apam ye da ma free pieces na pe ni you know obo ama ne ma ne de man casual wear ahodo na me pacho or cratchy trends omonsa no ne bo eka oro mo ne mo mapama to muzampa omo di dem an ne koye pere man yizem woni se promotional egusu ekoso a kaftan no me pacho utonuma ye bo mode etimi e che ba ko unya ne bibia e your cratchy trends ne nsa no djuma no opezo hwe bia Facebook or cratchy trends Instagram or cratchy trends and afi TikTok nso no or cratchy trends okwa muzampa ejuma wa bon ne se ne nsa no efe no edida da ho a 0244 074336 0244 074367 0244 074367 open house yeboa na junction wono mo ebensenet flat oko ne mboa na ne mandeda yie pa entimi emfa momadaroma yeberuam na afa fisem na to aso etimi ediama na mo bepie na nimonyam no wanyadie na nkofo bua wo se no na wahweni enti Romo Gentleman Dental Clinic komasweye examination and consultation services no ade ekoso sino toa ye be hye wana mu na afo sino ade aboso amana etuntum ebe yini ya shed braces awdo na e na peso di siso na ebo ama osino nya ne izanze obu ane de na ba kusia na jeze ayeza mantem na ebibia opija osepe na nkofo kura ma diza akwo se vampire ne ade ni nyina Gentleman Dental Clinic be na ya bomode etimi aso ano etimi edi ama ze ne ba bizo na ayeze ho no ayese se kakra ni nyina be na ye twitwu ama na ye kama pa etimi edi ama na peso she ni good ana silver be na teeth whitening no omobo mode etimi ye Kumasi Abepo Junction omobo total filling station no Techiman uruani achimo Techiman market kwana so magazine obenyomo Accra Nungwana Atomic Down unyomo ko for idio omobo Central Police Station no e o market otakra the pipe no uruani achimo Tadisco Junction GM Bank no unyomo 0598 405 674 0598 405 674 na 0559 139 582 0559 139 582 poswa na ne Gentleman pay for din komani abo na oseno ya hwe etimi ni clean pay dia magwe na bibia aboko de
onyamyadom na onzo e
o me ye na ne me koze
o kakaka egusu akeke kanema bomu a bibia ye fine pa za onzo ho ye de
o bibia kokama bibia kokama
pa ni panko na wonton bi bibia o bi
o no kra no bibia betimi enye bia ma me de woni na min debat bibia o bibia no ene Manuel Luther fa obibisa ama se mi bat ma fa chelo kra na obisa me ze me ton we dia de
so o ti bibia
o de bia na me ton
ka obi di sifiezo ange ye fa
na sa no me di si wona David ene di ehu fa me kom kakra
ko ku mi do ko na ma menye bre na afi me hwe me wo fa asin kunim happy birthday ba bi obi anya me hira na onye ne kese nkunim me fa o papa eye force so na afi o mame eye Philomena na afi abusuani na ya we show happy birthday kese pa se de udi ni sitie nkunim no ba bia be ko bia nkunim di enso entimi emfa e ma na nenso me wo fa ase Modesta enso ewie eye BC nto no so me ka chen se me mana kwa ba dia babra bonim no watimi ahu sere no ma no enso esi ko mo start ya visem no emfa free Samates akache Samates enso ye Ghana yen timu a osi akan enso wo Africa CAF Champions League no na omo enso opponent a omo no bono enso atimi aba Victoria United eno omo enso no mbo sa team no efri Cameroon a ho ena game no enso betimi aba so ba ko na afi de toso no enso atimi apim e wo Ghana na ne mani na enso atimi atoto di enso atimi de amaya eno ne nsemo a efri ho ba me de etu na sa draw ne ba ye no ena afi nkomodidie no enso atimi cause na brante ba ko osina kan erema team efe ne Samates Baba Musa enso atimi adi nkomo on Victoria United said draw no eye tough draw and I say eye draw emu omre no odi nkomo kakra edefa ho.
I think it's difficult because we don't know them that well and they don't know us that well too. And so most of the players I was some at this year, we are all young chaps this is one and I sure say if will be one person grab or Champions League in that. Yeah. I will term it as a difficult draw because I feel in Echo. Although you say in your name, in your kunya kubina, a media mamma, when make Ghana proud. So, see, I see it as a difficult draw. Sure.
No, and someone Baba Musa and so 8 minutes to Jana Odin Komo at the 5 Victoria United where the home no at the air to now side in Komo be made a far failing now or no ene ni namfofo ni nuanom wo Samatex enso nyaye after say omo kwakosi akan enso e wo CAF Champions League ni.
Like I said, I was a little bit excited because any small achievements with me about the Champions League. Although it's our first time, but we are all excited to play in this championship. So I think it will be very good tournament, and I think it will help us to. Yeah.
No, I Baba Musa Smart too. Just say or GDS a be a good tournament. Nothing so a bit me a bomo. Amanyoma and sweat me to DA power. The sound comodino and so it me by the and who said Timo friend Samatex and sweat me announces our branch of Muhammad Al Hassan Mankuili or more and sweat me a sign for 2 years. Or no Baby Jinem ABC Akarama Timoa, your friend Samatex to say do more and a kayak more and sweat me Vivi Club no a idea or more and sweat me as a branch of friend Muhammad Al Hassan Mankuili from Real Tamale United or no answer Baby Jinem as Siakai and sweat me at a more and on in some kakri for about 2 years a day and immediate Obejinema Siakai at a mighty friend Samatex and on in some kakra if we hold by me the air to him. Now ya war a year outside Ghana edin komo efa sano manamano hono a branch of friend Lamptey and so Borum Kokusi Akarama Timua your friend APRFs no and so Jebre edin komo wabra almost what Tanzania or mo enso gua hunyemwa or mo enso air preparation and comodino say and a Lamptey edituja.
Fans, I mean, they've really showed, love. So I really appreciate them. I thank them. Yes.
And any message to the APR fans in country, back in Rwanda?
Okay, what I have for them is, they should keep us supporting and we will never put them to shame. We are going to work hard and win trophies here.
Before we close, I would like to know the meaning of the name of Lamptey, because of most of people in Ghana called Lamptey. What does it mean, Lamptey?
Okay, it's true. It's knee Lamptey, but I've put the knee aside and then I'm using the Lamptey. It's in the form of a king. Yeah, king. Yeah, that's what it means.
King of APR.
Indiano ne someone Lamptey aje break section and say one say uramu Ghana Rwanda for ne say obe guru na Lamptey wa Ghana doors no nti omo pedini nchiremu na Lamptey enso nyanto wase ache tumu say ohini bi sa na say ono enso etina paka mu ono so ebo agiment ne someone Lamptey enso timile tuja ere ho sem e de air to na uramu anso atreman enso ebo CAF Confederations Cup omo enso say omo enso ekonoma dani omo ho kakra say new logo and omo enso edi euroma so omo new logo na e green and yellow ya dia no enso edi ahim enso e omo ye pa ntia no e enso atreman say okohu e logo e o ba bia na anya say bia ho team fufuro bia e o Ghanaian Premier League nim e enso atreman Football Club and omo enso etimi adan omo ho ani a omo enso esia komsi we no omo akwa bakosemu and I from the sawe no enso etimi aba ama bibia enso etimi atoto din wo ha yede ho nsem no e de eto anim enso e wo dwumadi ne so yenwuram e wo Nation FC akachi Nation FC enso etimi confirm so mo mrante mienu enso afrom akachi ho mo kwakosi akan e de matimi e fe na Accra House of Folk branti a je friend Michael Awua Mensa kwa kudina masi akara matimoa je fe na Accra House of Folk so na Asamoah Boateng a free and kwa kusi akara matimoa je fe no House of Folk eno ne nsemo Nation FC enso atimi da babontin na besina yenhu any official communique from the House of Folks camp say omo enso trese mrante no e be sia kan enso Nation there omo enso atimi adam mrante na se enso atimi awhwe omo well so omo kono omo ko bo omo homo na bibia enso entimi koyie emfa mo omo ene ne nsam kakra fi ho ba ena no pami bo akire yi akire enso atimi da ma yehu se Humasia Sandu Kotoko ebe posti se coach efe ne Prosper na etuogum ono enso akoye surgery nti okwa ahomjemu kakra na owura na no bae no obi ni players ni be hie didi nkomo na one eye new players Sandu Kotoko enso etima sane omo no enso etimi share na ahwe de wi na video ni sitie na one players na ye sere na ade na efe na omo ma no nkoso se ya wo to omo ma one players new players na matima gina so de aka asem ni yie se de osini omo sere no woni omo sere a asa ani gi atimi aba nti Shadrack ma me new players no de no mu gina ho na no mu share red no wo de we no okasa me ba no so ba ma me new players na na nka matumi agina so aka asem ni yepa aha said o musisiri ya enya afi na dachi bi na windam ha yempesa asem ni yentuma tie nti sira musiri ya o sira musiri ya muma ntimi go so na bibia no ntimi enya kama no bae no say the one act as football captain and as a captain of the side and Kumasa Sade Kotoko no a branch of Frederick Kasari or Jebre e will come coach your friend Prosper to when I say and now Kumudinu Enzo City.
Okay, Coach, we are very happy to have you here today. After the season, we heard about your surgery, and most of us here were worried that you were not able to be part of it. But going forward, we wish you speed recovery, and very soon we'll see you join us. So.
And no, a branch of Frederick Kasari, that is answer 7 and so to me too. Jana Okasari and a coach of Prosper Netwogum, and so Jay Brenner or say, or some can and the chip players. Now, Fino, and me say, said your Kotokobizi final or Parin and so a can't be at the chair players, no, in TV.
Believe in ourselves, we'll respect ourselves, and then we focus on the target ahead. I think it can all change the face of this team. So I want to congratulate you and then encourage you that what you have started, don't drop it. Keep raising the bar up and up and up. It's like high jump. When you clear one height, you move to the next height until eventually you become the champion. So let's see that we have now started. So the bar is low. As we move into the season, the bar will begin to increase and increase and increase. And we should be determined in our mind and in our heart that we'll be able to clear every bar that will be raised. And once we have this determination in our heart and in our minds, we'll be able to make ourselves proud, to make Asante Kotoko proud, and then make Asante Mampo proud. So congratulations to all of you.
I know I am someone coach Prosper Netwogum any two do I Bobby Nama was so and sweating at Nenra Kumasa Sandokotoko any double soccer academy and sweating for friendly game. Now after the friendly game, no Alexander Manu or no now Rum was Shanty Raging Ha Kotoko NCC no or Dano or Hamanoma and sweating on the exercise as Sandokotoko and Swenya a game now more and sweating boy no reference Alex Manu on Omuwin Omnyaye on so double soccer academy no say an opponent and sweat me a kind
exercise. In fact, I wouldn't say any has much at the mechanic. Can you be also football? Yeah, Sabi was saying, I job not that. But let someone rest you. If you rest someone resting, much more mobile. Very good exercise. In fact, it's your task. The Niaji Papa, who's a legs. Sun is like, a very good sign inside. And the
Alex Manu the two just any Jenna Sanuko to womb no a branch about qua man for us and replacement finding a dang a lampty. Nano no run as a no nyant was a year Emmanuel and Chino or Mom Philam tobacco crazy.
Now we are Emmanuel blah, you are new lampty, Evanocra. Your body, Emmanuel Chibo. That's a long time ago. I'm a Bob my papa, but Emmanuel. I'm telling you.
I know, and some open the two just as I know got to confirm to Emmanuel Jibono or will is it be anybody named Passable no come on. Omo Philam died. Omo Philam, then and some Urano, and with Mikena Ramos Abba, and Sergio Ramos Abba, a branch of friend in Dogani, Samba O'Neill, and sweat me about season way, Diamobe Bono, once a smart has a bad Yajibono. Or the Ama Abdul Karim Rahman Why or the Ama in Dogani and Abu Bressa season where you are and you market one and Dogani didn't come no so no or Bagana no say no Bibia or Babaji Bibia was and got to go Bubia say a fake cap say a baller cap say a dang or Babaji.
I'm here to give them the show, and yeah, I'm here to give my best. For me, Kotoko is a big club, so every year is going to play about the trophy. So myself, I'm here to win everything, to win the Ghana Premier League because it's my first time. So I want to win the Ghana Premier League and to qualify for the Confederation of Africa Champions League.
Ndiabu was one who Bob Jimmy Biao.
And I was there for anything.
Dogani Samba.
That man a nickname.
Ramos. I was in a one day Ramos or Bobby could be on friend of Ramos.
As a crop, I said a legacy.
Suarez were anywhere do. Now Ramos were
is a crop, but I know
Maheno. Or you'll be on the born and Bobo, but O'Neill say, Kotoko fans named Pushino.
Also, pushing
and to us, I was pushing over a DVD momo. And you know,
they're supposed us to be with us. I want them to push me and to push me to give my best. So I'm here to no joke. I'm here to do something better with the club. So I want them to just push me and I'll let them enjoy.
Wow.
Piano. Over my enjoy. So Ramos a man there go you.
But our confidence. Can in 70 Munana report to you in your Congo. No. Just on your
number center back one. Some things in me. Mr. Bodu.
What the things ever.
The things in me as well attack him with the hey, grow up. Anybody on one grand kind. But what was there? Oh man, on
as if you put him no pay glade.
Yes.
The all has.
There's no captain or captain.
The glade is so back crew good one I be you any errors or banner about the bridge man.
Man, manage the way I now coach Ogu no more sereno.
When them crack come on DNA me there. MP situation be ever say we na. Akwaku we. But very nice but democracy cup on so be koso. Nyambo Wednesday day ni be 17 July. Na Santi Kotoko Remo Accra Sports Stadium normal and team from Hartlefolk area kwa Kobweni 3 p.m. sharp Wednesday near Biria Tum. Popular stand 20 Ghana Apana Filoa VIP also 50 Ghana VVIP ended Ghana and you want shout one maybe Ramizan's a Katin Razor no be MPC or Ghana ha any football legends no any partners no Ministry of Youth and Sport France Embassy or Ghana Football Association Beyond the Return and Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development omina dia number hena or more partner Boama Jumadini team sponsors no GCB Bank Better Logistic Ghana Gas GMPC ADB Bank PCM Ghana, Sterling Automotive in Afiogoy, MPA, Zoom Lion, Interplast, Anglo Gold, Ashanti, KGL, NLA, Wembley, Na Shippers Authority, NSIS, NEO, Petroso, NEO, World Vision, Nafi, Azar Group, Omunina, Ea, Dia Neo Moheno, Mabuamanema, dead in terms of Wednesday, the Encrambe, the now Buamanema, the Yepa, Etmira Mam last week, he did in Komobi on the Ne Uruanichema, talent and Tibia Baba Koso, Bonon Patem. Ti seri kan ye no eni Brunia ye friend Miguel Sola Obaba Bidu Ghana na no nti ne teach manfo adwo mo de ewo Ohinamia Park o vie na nkoya akona kokuram na bo amane mande da nyambo ochna 13th oro ani chemu sunyan a no so bebo modern na mo de na koso na on the 14th oro ani chemu go so school park e be koso na 15th no be chem presec park ono mo jepene no mo wie yesin fie no player wenya 16 to 20 years and most forms be on sensama na bo no form 20 Ghana pe ti uzo wa kwenya so be tobi na wa ma bana kwa ku showcase mbo broni na ba en agent awdo na so fi Europe ma baba be rama ye bana niama dedadia sa talent hunt ni team rama less power soccer academy en dia ba na baba ram Kangen energetic drinking water eni unum nsu anom de be boa no wagia na so na niama kwera ma na nkonko de onum na akwakofa ha bi etimi de abrel we ni de mu dida opa Kangen alkaline water de tienie yeze ne yo minu asawdo na calcium magnesium potassium ne iron eboa na ma komana boye na for kidney no and for liver na bo ho ban na hye na da ye pa etimi ede ama na munsem no ya de ano eden papa ni nyina ene ze ndro na ewom no nyensusanso boni bia omo na mum no ekọ ye masa akwa akoboa ama yem ne ma no aye edwuma ama ne ma deda di mpa etimi ara ma ntine wanom ne ma wodo na agu yem no unye no na mebe na abomodi na etimi aso ano ede ama apom abrema UGC Tafu New Road no about Junction be nyomo se o achichi abetimi afom number no na ne omo di nkomo ne aboa na so no nsa ka bizanzen ko 4 jeje e wa mama wodo na 0241 44 9191 0241 44 9191 at 0507 37 9474 0507 37 9474 na wabwana nyomo netimi edin komana nema adadin pedi ama Colitac Dental Clinic eni omaba ababa be rama ejuma mbone yade ano edin pa yezini eba ne dental therapy a mo abomoden eye ntutu ama nema dedadin pa etimi edi ama na osena na aze bibi ese ya okwa ye brani yisa sinifio etimi represent ama na aze mbo moboa edi hujuma ma ne san ye fefefefe manema dedadin pa etimi ere ma sen ho sem de omobo modidi juma manema koyi kama pa so etimi ere ma eba ne scan en na fi eshu ahodo na omberhe na ya bomode na scan no ye twa na eshu ne wura metimi ere ma so bezo se no e na o cleaning na polish a omo hedi hujuma na zo bia wano no nema ama na deda o se no so nti ama ne change color e no do wani chi mo Colitac Dental Clinic omberhe ne aboa na ye white ne no kama pa etimi ere ma patase urwani na chi mu ewo kichi ama ajeman building no omo eben Vegas ko na kokuru ne mboa manema deda dimpa entimi emfa emo mo number no 0538 250 078 0538 na 0545 906 888 0545 906 888 no afre na ne omedi nkomo ne aboa manema dadira ameda yere vals de nkomo odo na na aba ne ye mbobo so ana hwese be ma afrefo na ba ma
abu mamenye the quick birthdays no na enko abena tribude mame I wish you happy birthday nyame ehirao na oma wonkwatentin na de odo nsabesom bia enye hira better happy birthday on our screens munu ya be queen say nyame ehirao na onyo kese na me wish Bernard Amoaten so we na ya bena tribude no bena tribude no
waka was very ato as we bigi na we should be do ya remani se o ye o say dem zo mo pike wanke you uniana
oze wish Bernard Amoaten so happy birthday na nyame inshallah Bernard na de odo nsabesom bia no enye nshira Bernard me ne ko church CCC
okay
tinyame inshallah na onye okese abu with the signings na ekoso no ewo krobia there is one thing I would love to talk to Koroko management in your opinion for management in the cry isn't even existent. It's existent because you don't your mandate mo or money signing players and ameboa. So the Koroko management Nancy I was a question so about be share team and the technical team no is managing expectations around some of these players. Mitier Ashanti Regional NCC chairman now he's overly excited. Say ohebo players in the big one and and as a head of supporters, you know, I know it's vital to show your emotions and in your maybe about team, but I also believe that managing expectations will be very key. Korokontise Olympics. I'm not disrespecting Olympics, I'm not disrespecting the club. But I think the most political club nowadays, Korokone has.
Yeah.
Which is there is so much attention on the players for them to deliver. Bringing in some of these foreign players to know how to make sure say omo under pressure and they will get the chance and relaxation so bit media prove the entire Koroko form de mobile. As it stands, most of the supporters say some of these players in the bit performing. Some section of the supporters who can credit to me say mapamu top players, mapamu players and as a viedom makumasu. It be mobile with a different mentality, a different mindset to see some of these players flop. A be super with this kind of players on best surviving. I believe, say, coach, IMC, supporters leadership will manage expectations of Koroko supporters. Manage the expectations of Koroko supporters so well. You let us understand the quality of these players. If you are coaching the technical team, we're in the right position in a just for the supporters to fully understand what. And the biggest platform on Benyani Duma Wednesday.
I Wednesday give me the eyes all season match.
Oh, I'm not saying it's a Koroko winning game and answer by
no, me so men can't win, but who say no. Is there a player Bamono or Babidu Kuma 1 week crunch the nyai, 2 weeks crunch the nyai. Now match near Wednesday. Now Odinu Kuku Jinam so on board. Nebia Asheran Kuya.
I don't think they are going to be starters. What did they mention? At least there are some other players who won because Hanyansu da so
yeah.
Justice Blame and there is one particular club a person may new opportunity when he or the youth size on this senior team training.
Oh, okay.
I think on Feno Bibisa Ngolo Conte.
Ngolo Conte, me amatini dino.
I said these kids now more free on the Subi Remuno. I would love to see what they have up in their stocks to make sure some bit my club. Replacing most key players within the setup may catch your last season. Say some of the players will replace players be okodokono. Me, I me believe say be form.
Sir.
Or if you say me no better now.
Yeah.
FR player for player in terms of replacement for Abdul Ganiyu.
Yeah.
Replacement for Mubarak Yusuf.
Yeah.
Replacement for Imoru Ibrahim. The reason why I'm using these players near say most of them the time Kobo Africa Ekobo group stage, you know.
No more.
But move free, no. The level of replacement nobody be shame. Na me say in these players were no to meet the standards.
Was that the crimes the coach Edika Yano said? Or on the first choice, but
so this time around,
yeah.
Or more mobile replace or more ban should be able and a BDA me Manuel entry say I know. Unimbornable.
And I would choose Tamani and Nimno Ghana, top striker.
And in commodity, so when I'm a chase, Kotoko, Erisha set or say,
I bet join it. If there won't be it more.
If set or say you're supposed to join, set or say, now you didn't set or say, born or born to Kruma saying no Saturday Badia. Nothing Kotoko is sounding a super.
Matiza Boy is almost
yes, and Imano Boy, dear no Abu, a one sign in I. Many bet you were who change Koroko signing so my.
Are they?
Or you player one about experience in the local
terrain. Brami.
Oh, versatility. Also, no as a winger.
Yeah.
And obey fullback. Last season, Michelle so Obo as a right back and as a left back for Nations FC. Who difference? Who difference? And no, Sassuye captain.
The Nations.
So you are bringing a player who has so much experience in the league. You are bringing a player Obetimia fellow or right back as a fellow left back. You are also bringing in a player who is a leader.
Wow.
Abu and Wabre.
Why?
Wabru. And I know this is one chance. Won't take it for granted. You need such experience. Me have boy who was from Pong.
Who boy?
Also, must not.
Why is Mickey Wabo league natural? 11 wonders.
Yes.
Between United.
Yes.
And Bar Nation Division 1 of them qualified.
It was from Pong. Our boy him.
He's a leader.
Men can't send a standard or bit why achieve the Amos. But quite Amos Fasotino. Amos what in the ball left back and not me ball.
Yeah.
What in the ball right and not me ball. And proper leader. Or sacrificing my team no. And so Koroko decided because almost a quarterback, you have another good player. And I think this is one signing I'm really looking forward to. When we signing, sir, we expect to see a top clubs no will be picking. But because Okomo clubs now, they are good. They stamp the authority on their teams and they became
I mean I could was almost tompa.
Aye.
Almost tompa.
So almost Obia club will be an the philosophy ne the Jumedi Obas or Babidi. I know Nations FC will love to win the league some time to come. But for now, Abusa Ope the team, BTC Nations, stadium infrastructure they pay light bills, they pay water bills, Omutia players can so well. They are one of the teams of Mokumo players. Any bonus is crampus is serious. It is a whole being number to Makofa and coach no Mokofa and buy the crown should tell you what they want to do. That's a Bechim and Bechim for you.
Yeah, I want to tell no
Bechim better Tianomaton. And to it didn't also mean that Bechim was not competitive. Now Bechim are competitive. And Ubenya Ebasana Ubenya the best talents in the country. Because Obianim say Oba. A do time no be sumia. Obetona manako na won ton say oh ton na mabufuo so na BBS muntem. You do the right things and make sure say Ubecha no kwan was dream.
But Mate, why Mike we are na me no issue. Why? No issue, but all the man is upon so to men crash over Brekum Chelsea. We am ba me dim komo biacho. Di. Ma men chano pa, men chano ni adia na. Yenye ni MPG mu na ni amanda di. Baga wi a why me no be shia na. Odimori ram kakra ne ahwese de ne mesi kone adia. But to go aman keke, ma kanse na na fi Benin. Da home na waba. Oze day. Oze day.
Say we are swame for beba. Swame community gala no. More big game. New swame versus clubs.
We are Bele swame for.
On your mobile fam on your mobile.
Top match wow.
New swame the club say send.
Until you remember.
Dielo a. 2 years wo actually.
Bese o remember.
Akatuga makeke la razebra la mama no di bojumebo amane ma de di imperative me e de amount de tini kuma se Joseph Yase kwan no so bon hospital ja show obo modena wetimi enya no na ne no e di nkomo o de o ma me film yi o papa film am ejuma e basa after so kokusi o mo nichi no o da na jo artist azobi no baba be da ma ejuma sem ne ade ade ne nkoyi awaye crap bi unya o de fa number 0244484747 and I'll call YouTube Adebushim Takas TV TAKAS na the TV asoso na won cheche bi adare de nyino ye no ho a eboa ma niam deda ye pa etimi ere man kofo a huhumu no niam anko ye mfamo emza asasi so no fa ne ze niam da okwa didi ma na wafi asasi so na de o se nyame kan se brabe no dasani amana mbama fama quick one on birthday special happy birthday nkwen fama Lois na Lois wow sister na ekria sapon koma NS enko ntimi fama we nurse ni so Lois happy birthday sister say nyame sha papa na yo da no de opbm ramu emfama na nyonko omzo nu abako se kan wono se nurse ni efani Eunice di mami you Eunice onzo no ene o sister na ekria sapon koma se enko emfama na nyame sha papa ene onana akusua ro wani chemo pankro no na obey yo interview sisia so na akuzia nyame sha papa na yo da no so no de openo emramu kama pa emfama na oman kwatentena special one kwemfama Bernard yeboa isiama glory uko school redemption international ewo so ame na wanya 4 years na wa na omame ne opapa yeboa isiama emeze afia de akra wi me ne wa na wi no oho anana graba na atiko edi ohene ye so ramu fidio ma omame nso no me de me fe no momi me ma me no nti nana ni na beye penyimpa na akoma pa ma me no papa wo no ebi so mbra wa from now so fananti na mbo amane mankoye emfa emma Dr. White a special one ramu emfa ma wa ni wo fa ase aye freni akusua sewa se enko emfa ma doc na nyamisha papa na ne mandede di emfa na special one ko emfa ma Mr. Enim Silas na ni nana akwisi AK bantama zienko ntimi emfa emma so soldier special one ramu fama ne na nyamisha papa na bibia and the you so ntimi emfa na happy birthday nko emfama Ella wo for you krom na Ella ni Kelvin ese yoda nyamisha pa na onso no de opbm ramu kama pen fama o ena Emmanuela Ajay orwani chemo Ken UST health science ewo dompo ase aprabo hona ni so no onso so Emmanuela Ajay happy birthday enramu kama pa emfa ema na ne mande da yeso no entimi emfa ma ntiri arena yemfa dwumadie no empem na yempeje mu exactly 12 yabo modern na news na bana ababeto aso kama so no etimi ede amamo bara niama so de dadi afri yebeba na yabo modern na yetimi ede